Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to self-mobilize your pelvis. This is an easy self-adjustment for pain relief, and I use this all the time, and it really helps me relieve the pressure and pain in my lower back area. Now, before I show you this, I just want to say this: I'm not a professional by any means. This is just what I do to help myself alleviate myself of the pain and the pressure that I get in my lower back from time to time. So I'm not a professional. This is just what I do. It's my own personal opinion, basically, and you should never do anything that makes you feel uncomfortable. If it makes you feel uncomfortable or in the slightest bit of pain, stop, go seek help from a professional, from a chiropractor, from a medical professional that will help you alleviate that pain. But like I said, this is something you can try. It works for me. It might work for you as well. So very simple and straightforward. You're gonna lie down on the floor, and you want to get into a position like this where basically your tummy is facing the ceiling roughly, and you get your left foot and you place it underneath your right knee like this, and I'm gonna basically be trying to twist my upper body towards my left side while twisting my lower body towards my right side. Essentially, that's basically it. Now, you can do it without any assistance from your hands. You can kind of just like try and twist it like that, or you can try and give yourself an extra push over here. And to do that, you take sort of the palm of your hand right here, sort of the meaty part of the palm of your hand right over here, and you're going to place it against your lower back, and you want to maybe give it just a little bit of a push in that direction that you're pushing your lower body to. So I'm just going to go ahead and try it out. Now we'll see if we can get ourselves a crack like this. There we go. There's one. And I'm going to do it on the other side. I'm just going to pull my pants up. Okay, so once again, same thing on the other side. And you don't even have to tuck your leg completely underneath the knee. You can leave your leg like this, but the idea is that you get your hand like this, and you're going to give your upper body a twist in one direction, a slight twist, and your lower body a twist in the other direction. So just pay attention, and you can probably hear a little release or a little crack that's going to happen right now. No, not like that. We're going to try one more time. Let's try one more time like this. No, so if it wants to release, it's going to release and crack and sort of release the gases between the joints and bones and tendons. But if it doesn't want to release, it's not going to release. So once again, you're just going to get into position. You want to essentially be twisting your body, upper body in one direction and your lower body in another direction. This is a secondary way to do it, which is kind of get your arm like this over and twist in one direction. And then same thing with the other side. I'm just crossing my legs. I'm getting my arm this way. My upper body is being twisted towards the camera. My upper body is being twisted, away from the camera. And my lower body is being twisted towards the camera, just like this. And we can see if we're going to hear any sort of crack or pop. There we go. There's another one. That's it. So like I said, you shouldn't make yourself feel uncomfortable. It should give you relief of pain. If it makes you feel discomfort or pain, stop right away. You should not feel any pain at all when you do this. It should actually alleviate the pain. That's it. It's an easy self-adjustment that you can do. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.